Did you know Zac Efron's face changed so much that fans thought he got plastic surgery? But the real truth is way more shocking. In 2013, the High School Musical star had a terrible accident at his home. He was running through his house wearing just socks when he slipped on a puddle of water. Zac fell hard and smashed his jaw right into his granite kitchen counter. The impact was so bad it completely shattered his jawbone. For years, he kept this accident a total secret. He needed multiple surgeries to rebuild his face, and the doctors had to repair serious nerve damage. The operations changed how his facial muscles work forever. Zac had to relearn how to speak and eat properly through months of painful therapy. The prescription painkillers he needed led to addiction problems. He felt so bad about how different he looked that he moved all the way to Australia to escape Hollywood. People online bullied him about his new face for years. Finally, in 2022, Zac told everyone the real story behind his transformation.